Alright guys, it is actually 2 days later and we have all of the forms up, ready to go. We just passed our inspection. I brought a couple pieces down with me this morning to finish up this corner here because we didn't bring our concrete form trailers down. We grabbed what we thought we needed, and then obviously we needed some fillers, small pieces here. You can see back in the corner there's a small piece. So I grabbed a bunch off the trailer this morning to finish up right here, and we are good to go. We are waiting on the concrete to get here. Originally it was scheduled for 3 o'clock, but I called them. They had a truck sitting in their yard. They were going to load it up and send it to us, so it should be here any minute now. But need to move mason dump out of here, get it out on the street, and then we'll get this thing poured.
Let's go.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this new addition here, and we've had a few guys here over the past couple days working while I was doing other stuff. But as you can see, the entire foundation is poured, the forms are stripped, and we're pretty much backfilled. Rodrigo is pulling out of here to get rid of all of the grass that was on the top in here. We pulled that out because when it dies, it'll create like voids underneath your slab and potentially could lead to the slab sinking. So we pulled all that out so that doesn't happen.